Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the food and nutrition. This is the first one and two bits of paper one, section A of home science optional. So, friends, what is food? Let us discuss. Food is something which we eat in order to get nourishment from the body. For the body, nourishment which possesses energy and which is worth eating. Something which you eat, worth eating. Number one, it should nourish our body. Should nourish our body. Again speaking, food is something which is eaten by the not only by the humans but all the living organisms in order to their survival, maintenance, growth and development. From food itself we get what? We get energy for our survival. The food provides which is worth eating, which is should provide nourish our body, worth eating, nourish our body, and it provides energy to our bodies. So number one, types of food. Generally we know that types of food on the basis of their composition, or we can say there are three types of food. This symbol है solid food, liquid and semi-liquid. Semi-liquid, otherwise we call fluid food. The food is divided into three types: solid, liquid, semi-solid, not semi-solid. We can say semi-solid or fluid food. Semi-solid or fluid food. These are the different types of food. Next come to functions of food. Food has three important functions. Number one, physiological function. Number two, psychological function. Physiological function we can say what, and psychological function. Number three is social functions. So physiological function, psychological function and social functions, these are the what functions of physiological. Means this provides energy for the growth, development and repair of tissue. Growth, development, repair of tissue. It also provide protection to our body. Protection, growth, development, repair of tissue and protection, these are coming under the physiological functions. Okay friends, these are coming under the physiological functions. Next come to your psychological. It psychological, we also psychological function also have psychological function. Means it satiate, it fills our satiate, it fuels our hunger, we satisfy. Psychological we becomes what? Satisfied getting of food, that is called psychological function. This is your social function. It what social function? When we are going to get together in any type of reception, with birthday party, with marriage party or any kind of it, so food, it gives a relationship, get togetherness. It brings everything in a single relationship. It enhance cooperate what inter relationship, and so it is social. It makes us socially recognized due to serving of food number 1. Number 2, another psychological function is that we offer food to our guests, our pet relatives, our near ones, dear ones, our friends, relatives, neighbors. So this makes a social relationship. That is called the social part of the social function of the food. So we have already 3 types of function: what psychological function, social function, and physiological functions of food. Next come to nutrients. Nutrients are divided in 2 types: macronutrients micronutrients. Nutrients are broadly divided in 2 types: macronutrients and micronutrients. So see, macronutrients are just like we say, these are again divided into 3 types: carbohydrate, proteins, fats. Micronutrients are divided into minerals and vitamins. So food is divided in 2 types: one is your macronutrients, another is your micronutrients. These are carbohydrate, protein, fats, and minerals nutrients. Except these, another 2 nutrients are water and dietary fiber. Dietary fiber, otherwise called as roughage. Dietary fiber, otherwise called as roughage. So these are the broad categorization of what nutrients. Let us discuss one by one. Carbohydrate, number 1, carbohydrates. The first component of food, macro component, that is called carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is again divided into 3 types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, or polysaccharides. Monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Next, monosaccharide is divided into different parts, as you can say glucose, fructose, and galactose. Glucose, fructose, and galactose. Is it right? And the disaccharide is divided into sucrose, maltose, and lactose. Disaccharide is divided in 3 types: sucrose, maltose, lactose. Again friends, polysaccharides are divided into starch, glycogen, and cellulose. These are different categories of food you might have seen. Again speaking, Carbohydrates divided into monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides. Monosaccharide divided into glucose, fructose, galactose, glucose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharides are divided into sucrose, maltose, and lactose, sucrose, maltose, and lactose. And these polysaccharides are divided into starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Let us see. In the next part, we will discuss the remaining portion of this food, and this was the first lecture of the food and nutrition. Thanks.